In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Figma. Whether you're looking to enhance your design presentations or just want to spruce up your Figma project with some interactive content, adding video can be a game changer. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step so you can get started quickly and effectively. First things first, log into your Figma account. Once you're in, navigate through your dashboard to find the Figma file where you'd like to embed your video. After selecting your file, it's time to create a space for your video. You can do this by simply creating a box or a rectangle in your chosen design area. Think of this as the blank canvas where your video will live. Once you have your rectangle set up, head over to the bottom of the Figma interface where you'll notice the Actions button. Give it a click and then select Plugins and Widgets from the drop-down menu. Now you need to search for a plugin called Anima. If it's your first time using Anima, you might be prompted to log in or sign up, so go ahead and do that if necessary. Now that you're logged into Anima, it's time to get to the exciting part, adding your video. Click on Media element within the Anima plugin. Here, you have a choice. You can either paste in a URL from YouTube or Vimeo, or if you prefer, you can upload a video file directly from your computer. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's use a YouTube URL. Paste the URL into the provided field and then click on Next to proceed. Once your video is loaded in, you have a few options to consider. You can choose to enable autoplay, which will play the video as soon as someone opens the file. There's also an option to loop the video if you want it to play continuously. Additionally, you can decide to hide the control panel, which removes the play and pause buttons, giving your design a cleaner look. Don't forget the ability to add a cover, which can be particularly useful if you want to control what viewers see before the video starts. Lastly, there's an option to mute the video if you prefer it to play without sound. Perfect for projects where visuals take the lead. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a video into your Figma file. Your design just got a lot more dynamic and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.